This 2014 Renegade Villagio 25 QRS is a Class B RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Renegade and features sleeps 4, slide out, and 34 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features rear bedroom. This 2014 Renegade Villagio 25 QRS is built on a MB Sprinter 3500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.